Another update on the bike here. I just keep finding stuff to do, I guess. I got these kind of almost motorcycle looking mirrors. They're very large, but much needed to see behind you. I've had some people, I mean, if I'm going 25 or 30 or 35, and especially like going a little over 25 in a 25-mile-an-hour zone, you don't have to go 50 just to pass me. I mean, you don't have to pass a bike. If they are doing the speed limit, I'm allowed to ride with traffic. And we're actually in Ohio supposed to, because the sidewalks are horrible. You're not allowed legally really to ride any bike on a sidewalk here I mean, obviously you can if you want to, but I wouldn't recommend going very fast on a sidewalk. You don't want to go on sidewalks with the different levels. You're going to hit a bump and really mess up one of your rims. Or you could also just be on the sidewalk downtown like I've been. And I don't go very fast, but you're just right there where people are opening up a door to a business and walking around. And wherever I'm at, I'm definitely, considerate of others, where sometimes people aren't going to be, but just be ready for more e-bikes on the road, just like my motorcyclists. Just watch out. And slow down. You don't have to pass them. Wanted to show you guys these purple or bluish looking brake rotors here. So just update. I got the 180 millimeter on the front, which is way bigger. I forget what size was on the front. It was tiny. And then upgraded. There used to be a 180 on the back, and now that's a 203 on the back. And I know I need to get different spacers at Lowe's or something, and different spacers here. I just use washers just to get my gap and distance. I got torque arms on each side. I put this plastic piece in. It has a cover that goes up to about here. So I'm going to tuck all the wires that I can into that little box. And try to hey, don't chew on my kickstand. That's bad. You're a bad boy. No. Back up pretty quick, huh? Great. Oh, really tough. Oh, now look what you started. Man, gotta keep him away. I still got tail light, headlights, stuff to wire, because I did go ahead and go with the third battery on this thing. It's a small, almost like a motorcycle battery right here. To power, that is a light and horn, and then an additional light up here, and got the thumb throttle for the mid drive, and the mid drive is set up for the pedal assist. And then I have this twist throttle is for the front hub motor. And I will get you guys some stats on range. I'm going to charge them all up fully. Going to use both throttle only, both pedal assist. Then I'm going to do one at a time, throttle only, one at a time, just pedal assist for the Bafang. That's not set up on pedal assist. So a few different variations and tests coming. So stay tuned.